Okay. So that's about profile. Tell me if you have a question. What I said about profile. Did you guys try to go through that profile thing, edit something in a profile and all?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, did you want us to do something?
No, I did not ask you guys to do anything, but I mean we talked about profile, so I just want to understand whether the concept on the profile is clear or not.
Yes.
It's fine. Okay. So let's move on to the other thing.
So basically, profile is a collection of permissions, correct, assigned to the user.
Right. So what all permissions are we controlling through profile? We control the apps which will be available to the user, the objects or the tables which will be available to the user,
Mm-hmm.
what will be the access on the data, whether the user will be able to edit the data, create, delete, or just see the data. So that access is also defined through profile. Okay. What all fields are available to a user is also controlled by a profile. What all tabs are available is controlled through a profile. Okay. So these are the main things which a profile basically controls. Okay. So for apps, objects and tabs, I think we talked in yesterday's session. Let us talk about fields. Sometimes what happens, let's say you have a team, you want them to see the opportunity object, or you want them to see the account object, but one of the fields in account object is something that you don't want them to see. Okay. Let's say in opportunity, there is an opportunity ID. You don't want them to see the opportunity ID. Okay, that sort of thing. So there what we need to do, we just need to go and restrict the visibility of the field from that profile. Okay, that is also called a field level security. Okay, let's call a field level security. How do we put that field level security? Let's go back to our profiles list. So how do we get the profile list? We need to go to the setup, manage users profiles, right? Setup manage user profile. So just go to that particular profile for which you want to change this, and on that you will have, if you scroll down a little, don't click on the edit button. Without clicking on the edit button, if you scroll down a little, you will find field level security. Okay, so this field level security basically allows us to control the security at a field level. Let's say opportunity amount is a field. I don't want this profile to see. So opportunity amount, object is opportunity. So you should go to opportunity object, click on view. Once you click on this view button, it will show you all the fields of this object, and then we'll have the option of controlling the access for one of those fields.
Mm-hmm.
Click on edit. As of now, amount field is visible to this profile. If I take it off, this field will not be visible at all. Right, so this is how we can control the field level security for profiles. Clear on that?